Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, in this video, we will learn what is polynomial, a degree of polynomials, how to divide monomial by monomial, and how to divide polynomial by monomial in the chapter Division of Polynomials. What is polynomial? If the index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number, then the expression is called polynomial. Now here the whole number index should be the whole number. Which are the whole numbers? Whole number set of the whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If the index of the algebraic expression in one variable is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is whole number, then that expression is called as polynomials. Now let us identify the given algebraic expression is polynomial or not. So if you see here first example, x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 3. Here the index of each term of this polynomial is, here index is 3, here index is 2, then 1, and here 3 means a constant, means here 3x raised to 0 it is, so index is 0. Now an algebraic expression whose index is a whole number, then it is a polynomial. So here the algebraic expression is this 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the whole numbers. So this the given, it is a polynomial. Second example, y raised to 5 plus 4y, y raised to 4 plus 3y plus 4. Algebraic expression, here the index of each term, here index is 5, here index is 4, here index is 1 and here 0. So the index of this algebraic expressions are the whole numbers. So here it is a polynomial. Now third example, 2m cube plus 3m raised to minus 2 plus 1. So here index of this term is 3, here index is minus 2 and here index is of constant term, index is 0. So here now the minus 2 is not a whole number. So algebraic expression, if the index is whole number, then only it is a polynomial, else it is not a polynomial. So here this given expression, it is not a polynomial since the one of the index is negative, minus 2, which is not a whole number. Now what is degree of a polynomial? The highest index of variable in the given polynomial is called degree of polynomial. So a polynomial whose highest index of a variable is given in a given polynomial is called degree of a polynomial. So example, 3x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 7. Here the highest index is of x, that is 3. So degree of this polynomial is equal to 3. Second example, y raised to 5 plus 7y cube plus 5y plus 6. Here the highest index of this polynomial is y raised to 5, that is 5 is the highest index. So degree of this polynomial is 5. And the last third example, 10m plus 1. Now here degree 10m, m raised to here it is 1. So degree is of this polynomial is degree is equal to 1. Practice set 10.1. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder. first example, divide a monomial by monomial. 21m square divided by 7. That is division of monomial by monomial. So let us divide 21m square divided by 7m. So here 7 and 21. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 40, 7 3s are 21. M into m, that is m square. Subtract 21m square minus 21m square is 0. So the quotient after dividing monomial by monomial, you get quotient as 3m, and remainder is equal to 0 is the second example. 48 cube divided by minus 10a. So the numbers 10, 40 divided by 10. So minus 40. So 10 into minus 4. Minus 10 into minus 4 is 40 plus 40, and a into a square is equal to a cube. So minus 10a into minus 4a square is equal to 40a cube. So 40a cube minus 40a cube is 0. So your quotient is, this is the quotient, minus 4a cube, and this is the remainder is 0. Third example, minus 48 p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. Now here monomial divided by monomial. So 48 is not coming in 9 table. So we should get such a quotient so that if we multiply 9p square to such number, the answer should come 48p raised to 4. So here you have to multiply number 16 upon 3. When you multiply 16 upon 3, 9 into 16 upon 3, if you multiply here 9 into 16 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So you get 48. So 48 number, and p square into p square will be equal to p raised to 4. So the quotient is, our quotient is 16 upon 3 p square is equal to, here minus into plus will be minus 48 p raised to 4, so that here minus will become plus, so remainder will be 0. So quotient is equal to 16 upon 3 p square, and remainder is equal to 0. Fourth example, 40m raised to 5 divided by 30m cube. So 40m raised to 5 divided by 30m cube. So now here 40 is not going in 30 table. So here you have to find a such quotient such so that the answer, the dividend will be 40m raised to 5. Now if you consider the variable is m cube into m square will be m raised to 5. Now 30 into 4 divided by 3 means we will divide here 30 into 4 upon 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30. So 10 4s are 40. We'll get a quotient there. So here 30 into 4 upon 3 is equal to 40m raised to 40, that is 30 into 4 upon 3 m square is equal to 40 m raised to 5. M cube into m square is m raised to 5 and 30 into 4 upon 3 is equal to 40. That is minus subtract, remainder will be 0. 40 m raised to 5 minus 40 m raised to 5 is 0. So quotient, here quotient is equal to 4 upon 3 m square and remainder is 0. Example, here polynomial divided by monomial. Now dividing, how to divide polynomial by monomial? 5x cube minus 3x square divided by x square. So the target is our 5x cube. So x square into 5x is 5x cube. Now subtract it, get 0, minus 3x square will come remainder. Now still this minus 3x square is divisible by x square. So x square into minus 3 is equal to minus 3x square. Change the sign, minus will become plus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square is equal to 0. So quotient, here quotient is equal to, this is the quotient, 5x minus 3 and remainder is 0. Sixth example, a polynomial divided by monomial. 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. So first 2 4s are 2 into 4 is equal to 8. P square into p is equal to p cube. So here this plus sign, so change the sign, like a negative minus plus, so 8p cube minus 8p cube will be 0 minus 4p square will be remainder. Now take the, consider 4p square divided by 2p square. So 2p square, 2 2s are minus 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. P square into 1 is p square. Minus will become plus. So minus 4p square plus 4p square is equal to, remainder is 0. So quotient, here quotient is 4p minus 2 and remainder is equal to 0.